Okay, place the spacer in the jig with a bit of sacrificial metal. Tighten it up, make sure it's sitting flush in there. Grab the scribe, put an X in there. Mark the pieces to be cut off. And then over to the drill mill, we will drill out the 4 holes. We'll just make a indent where they've got the main holes. The drill needs to be set up so you don't drill into the bed, you drill into actual gaps like that. Now, using the spacer in the jig, I'm going to countersink where the 4 holes are going for the ball joint spacer bolts. Just like countersinking. That's really good to This is what happens if you drill the hole all the way through. You get big burring. So when you go to lay the piece down to drill it, it's not flat. So that's why you need a nice unburred hole for turning it over. There's 2 here which now need to be sanded, which is not really much good. Now with a slightly larger drill bit, I'm going to drill out these holes, but not all the way through. I've set the depth or the travel limit, so these holes will just be taken to the other side, leaving a nice finish this way. Here's that hole. When you drill the initial first side of the hole, this is how you want the other side to look. So you can just easily centre it to finish it off with a nice clean finish from the other side. Beautiful. You want to set your drill for dead centre, X and Y, with 2 pieces locked in the vise, and start drilling out the drain notch. You want to go in about 10 millimetres, set the depth gauge. Now these 2 pieces have their notch hole drilled in them and they're ready for the 50mm hole for the ball joint hump.